Hey guys, welcome back to another video of a Barber Secret. Guys, in this video we have compiled top 20 the most satisfying haircut transformation for you. We are bringing you the very best for black men's haircut, clean fade, sharp lines, bold look and timeless style that turn heads everywhere, okay? Oh, so don't skip this video. Watch this video till end, and you will get the best haircut idea from this video. Basically, these haircuts don't just upgrade appearance; they elevate the whole vibe. And let's dive in. So, look at this one. That was most cleanest skin fade with sharpest shape of line, and that was literally flawless transformation. We are moving the next one, and this haircut is it the haircut is just a vibe. Look at this one. That's beautiful, that's flawless. And here we are moving the next one, and this guy got some locks bun on the side, and he was looking for like some low maintenance haircut, but this barber got him and gave him the perfect height and fit with crispiest shape of line. If you are a black guy and you are looking for some best haircut ideas, I think the Barber Secret is the right channel on YouTube to give you some best haircut ideas for you. And I think you should have to watch our other videos on YouTube that we have uploaded, and we are uploading videos since 3 years. And yeah, that's the great history of a YouTube channel, and we had a great history. So you will find some hottest haircut compilation, and all of these haircuts are so satisfying, really satisfying to watch. And yeah, look at this one. The way this barber just filled his patch was flawless, and that fade, the high temp fade with clean shape of line, is also something good. And anyways, we are moving the next one, and this guy got some afro on the top, and this might be the best haircut transformation of the day. It's so satisfying to watch that type of haircut transformation, and I really appreciate that barbers skills. The way they are delivering these haircuts are just insane, and yeah, that's perfect. And look at this one. Look at this one. Hitting with the sharpest razor in the city. I'm doing voiceover like in the Slay Hunter style, and he's the most talented barber. I really respect that barber, and he's so dedicated to his work. The way he just edit his content, and he's so consistent on social media. Have you ever been on Slay Hunter channel? If you have not, you have to visit that channel. His channel name is Sla Hunter. That was perfect. And anyways, we are back to the our video, and this video and this haircut inspired by the my favorite barber, the 360GZ. Yeah, he's my favorite barber, and he got some insane skills, and that's the perfect. It's time to hitting with the sharpest blade in the city. Applying some filler thing, like, you know, it's make your hairline more prominent, and that's perfect. Connecting the edge line with the neck tapper, and here is the before and here's the after. Anyways, we got another quick haircut transformation for 360 wave, and that guy is happy. We got another one, the most beautiful and most common haircut among the black guys, the tapper fade. And I think, yeah, that's the tapper fade is always looks beautiful on your 360 waves, and you know, any type of hair you got, I think the taper fade is always a great option. Look at this one. As you can see, this guy got also 360 waves, but not this time. Taper fade not gonna work here. So I think this guy looking for some skin or high temp fade and high and tight. And look at that one, skin fade. Skin fade also work very perfectly with your waves. That's nice. That's perfect. This time hitting with the sharpest razor in the city, and that's the most sensitive part of the haircut because haircut based on your appearance and lineup is always in the front of everyone. So if you just don't put your all attention on lineup, that haircut will go wrong. So this is the most important part of haircut, especially for when you're doing a haircut for your black client. Look at this one. As you can see, yep. Now look at this one. It's the most important part of haircut. Nobody loves cooked hairline. Nobody loves crooked hairline. Look at this one. I think the most of barbers just put their whole attention to the client when they are can to the forehead. At look at this one. It's time to fill some bald spot and light corner, and that's perfect. I think this video is especially for those who really love to have some short hair because we have uploaded lots of shorts here in this in it, and yeah, that shorts here will work good for you. No matter you are a businessman, you are a employee, you are a freelancer, whatever you are doing, I think these haircuts are always work better with any look. Yeah, I think that. I don't know which haircut do you prefer, but I think these haircuts are just flawless, and I really appreciate all of these barbers, and I will mention all of these barber in my description box. So if you really want to visit that barber, or you are luckily near to the barber, I think you have to book your appointment before visiting the barber shop, and yeah, because I think they are too busy. Like, and they are professional, and yeah, you should book your appointment first, and that's perfect. And look at this one. The most interesting thing, like when a client came to the professional barber shop, like they are sitting in chair in very confident, like they are pretty confident, and yeah, they knows they are in good hands. So I think this is the most important thing for clients because I think haircut is a men's makeup, men's makeover. Yeah, so it's a really important factor. Like you have to choose your barber wisely. He will represent you. Yeah, I think he will represent you because haircut is the major component of your personality. So that's why you should choose your barber very, you know, deeply. Like you have to do some research before getting your haircut. That's why we are helping people to get it. I think that's why you should choose your barber very after very research, and yeah, that's perfect. That C cup with the shape of line connecting with the taper line, that's the most beautiful haircut transformation ever. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated for every upcoming upload.